In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make Google Chrome faster. If Chrome feels slow or laggy, a few quick tune-ups can make a big difference, and they're all safe and simple to do. Start by trimming your open tabs. Every tab uses memory, and when too many pile up, Chrome slows down. Close anything you're not actively using. If you're worried about losing something, bookmark the page or add it to your reading list so you can return to it later. Keeping only the essentials visible gives Chrome more room to breathe. Next, check your extensions. Add-ons can quietly eat up memory and CPU in the background. Type Chrome/extensions into the address bar and press Enter. Here, toggle off anything you don't need right now, or click Remove to uninstall extensions you never use. Fewer extensions mean faster startup and smoother browsing. If you're unsure about one, disable it first and see if performance improves before removing it. Clearing cached files can also speed things up. Press Ctrl+Shift+Delete to open the Clear Browsing Data window. Select cached images and files, then click Clear Data. This removes old stored content that can cause slow loading or odd glitches without affecting your saved passwords or browsing history. If you're on a Mac, the shortcut is Command+Shift+Delete. Make sure Chrome itself is up to date. Go to Settings and open About Chrome. Chrome will automatically check for updates, let it install, and then restart. Updates often include performance boosts and bug fixes that make everything run smoother. Turn on Memory Saver to help Chrome use less RAM. In Settings, open Performance and switch on Memory Saver. Chrome will temporarily free up resources from inactive tabs and reload them when you click back. It's a smart way to keep lots of tabs without dragging your system down. Enable hardware acceleration so your graphics card helps with rendering. Go to Settings, then System, and switch on Use Hardware Acceleration. If prompted, relaunch Chrome. This can make video playback, animations, and scrolling feel noticeably smoother. Finally, use Chrome's built-in task manager to spot heavy hitters. Press Shift+ES key to open it. Look for tabs or extensions using a lot of memory or CPU, select them, and click End Process. Keep in mind that ending a tab closes it, so save any important work first. Work through these tweaks in order, and you should feel Chrome respond faster right away. Keep your tabs tidy, limit extensions to what you really need, and revisit these steps whenever things start to slow down.